Impressionist by Hari Kunjru. Hari Mohan Nath Kunjru, born December 1969, is a British novelist and journalist from London. He is an author of the novel The Impressionist. Hari Kunjru began his career as a journalist for the Wired UK and later worked for various acclaimed and well-known media houses such as the Daily Telegraph, The Guardian, Time Out, and Sky TV. Other than his career as a journalist, Kunjru also worked for Wallpaper magazine as a music editor, and he was also a regular contributor to the British online magazine named Mute. In 2003, Hari Kunjru published his first novel titled The Impressionist. For the novel, The Impressionist, he received a substantial and considerable advance of $1 million. Thereafter, Kunjru has published 8 novels, out of which most have been international bestsellers. In his remarkable and esteemed career, Hari Kunjru has received a number of literary awards, including the Betty Trask Award for his first novel, The Impressionist, and the New York Times Notable Book of the Year for Transmission. Hari Mohan Nath Kunjru was born on December 1969 in London. His nationality is British. His genre of writing is fiction, non-fiction. Major works of Hari Kunjru are The Impressionist, published in 2002. Transmission, published in 2004. Noise, published in 2005. My Revolutions, published in 2007. This novel is good read if you have enough time, but it would take a while for the story to grow on you. Moreover, it also leaves the reader a little lost, because when you start liking Pran, sympathize with him, Rukhsana comes in, and later Pretty Bobby, and so on. The heartbreaking ceremony of Jonathan Bridgman is the most likable in the novel. These are all characters in the novel. Let us know about each character in detail. Pran Nath Razdan. Pran Nath, the novel's protagonist, pretends and assumes several identities throughout the plot. These identities include Rukhsana. This was the name given to Pran Nath during his time spent with court eunuch's bedroom guard, Pretty Bobby, the name by which he was called in Bombay, and Jonathan Bridgman, his name in England, which he is able to assume through the identification papers of a British man who dies in his presence. Reverend Andrew Macfarlane. Revered Andrew Macfarlane is another character in Hari Kunjru's novel, The Impressionist. Reverend and his wife are humble beings. He is a religious man and is working in Bombay. Andrew loves phrenology since childhood and hence pursues phrenology as a hobby, and he employs Bobby in measuring skills and photographing living subjects. Elspeth Macfarlane. Elspeth Macfarlane is also one of the major characters in the novel. Despite the fact she is married to Andrew, she does not interact with her husband. She avoids and forgoes Christianity in favor of Theosophy as the only means to communicate with her sons, who both died in World War I. Astarte Chapel. Astarte Chapel is another character in the novel. Astarte is referred to as Star after Bridgman meets her by the end of the novel. Astarte Chapel is the daughter of an Oxford professor who teaches anthropology. Pran Nath, as Jonathan, meets Astarte at one of the parties, and eventually the two enter into a relationship. Roland Forrester. Roland Forrester is the biological father of Pran Nath. Roland is a British forest official. He is an adventure lover and often travels around in the wilderness. Not much can be observed and noticed about Ronald in the novel, besides the fact that he was cold enough to leave the girl alone in a cave who saved his life hours before. Jonathan Bridgman. Jonathan Bridgman is a drunk, stupid, and foolish man with a considerable amount of wealth and property to his name. His stupidity, foolishness, and drunkenness cost him his ticket to his homeland, i.e., London, his property documents, and also his very identity. Amrita is the daughter of an affluent moneylender, and she is the mother of Pran Nath. She is a brave and courageous young woman, though addicted and accustomed to opium from a very young age. She is aware of the fact that her body is not her property but it is of the one who will marry her. Hence, she decides to scrutinize her sexuality as much as she can, and therefore encounters with Roland. Amrita dies immediately after giving birth to Pran Nath. Lily Parry. Pran Nath falls in love with Lily Parry, but sadly, she doesn't accept him. Lily, an Anglo-Indian herself, rejects Pran Nath because he isn't a pure-blood British. Summary of the novel in short. In 1903, during a torrential and deadly flood in monsoon season, an Englishman and an Indian woman both seek shelter in a cave beside a raging river. With death hovering, they find themselves carried away by the moment. When the Englishman comes to his senses and realizes he has done something no honorable, upright Englishman of the empire should do with a native woman, he flings himself into the river and drowns. The woman, Amrita, is rescued and continues on her journey to her arranged marriage, keeping secret that she is pregnant with the Englishman's child. She dies in childbirth, but the child, Pran, lives, growing up as the pampered and spoiled son of a rich man. Everyone admires his beautiful pale skin, almost as white as the whites. But one person knows the secret of his origin, Amrita's maid, and when Pran, now a teenager, attempts to ravish her daughter, the maid tells Pran's father the truth about him. A few days later, the father dies of the influenza which is sweeping the world, and the family eject Pran from the home he expected to inherit, leaving him destitute and alone. This is the story of Pran's life, and through him a satirical look at the impact of colonialism and the position of the Blackivites, the mixed-race Anglo-Indians, caught between two cultures, not fully accepted by either. The book is written in a series of separate sections, which is how Pran lives his life. The pampered rich kid becomes a desperate beggar who is taken in by a brothel keeper and forced into male prostitution. From there he is sold to a rich Indian as a hijra, a transgender eunuch, more or less, which is not an identity he chooses for himself. Fortunately for him, this phase of his life is over before the eunuch bit is carried out. He eventually ditches his Indian identity and embraces his Englishness, becoming Robert, then Jonathan along the way. He is intelligent, resourceful, and chameleon-like, able to seem as if he's fitting in by a process of learning and mimicking the manners of those around him wherever he happens to be. The Impressionist by Hari Kunjaru. Part 2 I will post soon. In Part 2 I will try to cover summary, theme, multiple names and identities of the protagonist Pran Nath Razdan, critical review of the central character and conclusion of the novel, The Impressionist.